Welcome back to Baby-Led Weaning, week 8, day 4. We're working on our proteins today. We're getting it wrapped up close to having the meat proteins done, but we are working on duck today. So this will be really fun. We're going to feed the whole family. I've got my mom here today, and we are going to pressure cook our duck today and do kind of an Asian twist on it. So just follow along. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to pat the duck down with paper towel to dry. So I got my paper towels here, and we'll do the whole duck. Dry that skin. Okay, now that that is done, I'm going to make little tiny slits into the skin. All around. And in some of the meatier areas. Okay, so you can take your finger in here. This is not necessarily a necessary step, but I like to do this to season in between the skin, and we will also season the skin as well. But you'll take some of that fascia and just kind of pull it, because we're going to put seasonings in here. Okay, we can do the same for the other side. Okay, we'll do a couple on the legs. As well. Okay, let's get our seasoning rubbed together after we wash our hands. Okay, we're gonna start with 1 teaspoon of Chinese 5 spice. We'll do 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. We're going to do 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And I have umami mushroom seasoning, but you can also just replace with mushrooms in the liquid portion that we'll do later. But I'm going to do 1/2 teaspoon of mushroom seasoning. Okay, we'll just kind of sift this around. And we're going to put this inside of each of these little slits. And we'll spread it around just in each little cavity that you can reach. Okay, the rest of it I'm just going to spread around on the duck. Okay, we'll flip it. So we are going to pan fry this, but I am going to have to cut the duck in half or in pieces. So however you guys want to cut it up is fine. We're just going to cut it up into pieces, and so that we can put it in the Ninja Foodie and do pressure cook. Okay, we're going to add oil to the pan. If your baby's had sesame seeds already, you can use sesame oil. Once this gets hot, we will sear off the skin. Okay, now that this has gotten pretty hot, we're just going to go ahead and add the duck meat skin down. So we'll cook this until the skin's kind of browned. Okay, I move these around just a little bit, but we're going to go ahead and flip them. Alright, These have seared enough. We're going to go ahead and cut this off, and we're going to transfer to our Ninja Foodie pan. Okay, keep all this in here. We're gonna go ahead and make up our sauce that we're gonna pour into the Ninja Foodie and pressure cook. We're gonna do 2 cups of vegetable broth. We're going to do half of a cup of soy sauce, low sodium, or you can do liquid coconut aminos. We're going to go ahead and cut this on medium heat. Okay, we're going to add half a teaspoon of garlic powder and about 3 bay leaves. We got just a couple left, so I'll just add another. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. You can also use fresh ginger. Okay, we're going to stir this in and make sure you get all the bits off the bottom. Okay, this is almost starting to boil or bubble up a little bit. We're going to do this for about 3 minutes. We've got all the bits scraped off the bottom, and then we're going to transfer this to our pan with the duck legs. Okay, we've cut off our pan. We're just going to transfer these liquids over. Okay, and we're going to place this in our Ninja Foodie on high for 45 to 50 minutes, depending on how much weight that you have. Make sure the seal is on. Okay, we'll be back in about 45 minutes. Alright, so the timer went off and I did a quick release on the pressure and it looks really good. It smells delicious. So we are going to reserve some of those cooking liquids to serve it to Noah. We're going to get some strips off of some of these pieces to give to him as well and serve the rest of the family. Can't wait.
All right, Noah, I'm introducing you to your 10 minutes of duck.
Duck meat. Good job, buddy. Is that good?
Yummy.
Do you like it?
Kind of tastes like pork.
It's dark meat, yeah. It's the dark meats.
don't want to ask him to whittle to 1400 if I know I'm not going to take it.
Good.
You demolished it. Oh, okay. He said a little bit more left. It's a little bit more left. No.
Oh, no.
Did you touch it?
I don't know.
Came off.
Okay, we're introducing the second part of his meal, which is his plums. They've already been poached. I just left them cold just for something a little bit different for him. So we'll do this for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to give him his parsnips next. Okay, and then the last part is parsnips for the 5 minutes as well. They look like French fries. They kind of taste like French fries a little bit. Thank you so much for watching our baby-led weaning videos. We really do hope you're enjoying them, and if you are interested in following along, I would suggest just starting from the first video. If you want to know whenever we put out more videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button, and that way you get notified of whenever there's new ones coming out. Thank you so much. Say bye. Bye.